All right, today I'm going to show you how to make a bow. I've got 25 feet of ribbon, scissors, and chenille, which is a pipe cleaner basically. So what you want to do, we're making this for our mailbox. So you want to have some long tails, and then I just let the ribbon hit the ground. I know that seems really awful, but that's how I do it. So I'm leaving a nice long tail on this, probably right about here. And what you want to do is you want to pinch your ribbon together. Once you've pinched your ribbon together, you're then going to fold the next layer over and do the same kind of pinch, just like that. Once you've done that, you want to twist. This is the key. You want to twist it so that you're getting the inside on the inside and the outside on the outside. So, and then you're going to pinch together and twist. Pinch together and twist. And you're just going back and forth, trying to make it even until you get a bow. And then I'm actually going to loop this piece under. You see how I went under? I twisted at the same time and I went under. I twisted and under. And it's going to become a large handful of ribbon. I hear that all the time. What do you do? Well, my hands just cramp up. Sorry to tell you guys. That's what happens. I'm going to pinch the next one through. And see, it's backwards. We're going to twist it over. Just like you're twisting a twist tie. It's that same kind of feel. Going to put that next loop on, pinch it together down in here, holding it with my fingers again, and we twist. Pinching it together, gathering it up, and we twist. I'm going to do that again. And we just keep layering in these loops, pinching it together and twisting. You can see my hand is getting very full back here with ribbon. The most common mistake is that people don't buy enough ribbon for the size bow they need. So whatever you think you need for ribbon, you probably want to double it. That would be my word of advice, because I'm going to use this entire bolt, which was 25 feet. Pinching it together, twisting, and you can see I'm almost at the end of my ribbon here. I'm at the end of the bolt. So we want to make sure our tails are even, so that's going to be where you end up making your final loops. Not quite there yet. It's going to take one more loop. And then my tails are pretty much even at that point. Now you want your center one to kind of come up through the middle. So you have a center, and that is your center of your bow. Okay, now it's time for the chenille. You take the chenille, you feed it through the center of your bow, holding everything really, really tight, and you pull it together like this. So I'm holding it right here at the back, and you twist. And you want to make sure you twist this together completely, because that's what's going to hold your bow together. And then you just kind of fluff out your little ribbon loops, and voila, there's a large mailbox size bow. I'll take a picture of it for you on the mailbox, and you can see it in place.